Guys, Motor Toys, we're out here. We just did an 8S pass testing with the new wing. These tires are hot. This thing is pulling wheelies. I have not yet looked at the GPS, but I know that I got about 85-90% on the throttle, so almost all the way there on 8S. The motor is warm, fans are on, so let's see what the GPS says. Guys, 124 miles an hour. That is the new record that I've actually ran out here on this road with a car. The TP Typhon XL ran 117, but that was on 6S. So I have more to go. You know, like I said, there's probably a 140 mile an hour car all the way in. I need to tweak tires and gearing a little bit, but yeah, 124 miles an hour. This thing is scooting, guys. Make sure to check out both angles on the footage.